shoulder. She lost control of the car and crashed into a pickup truck.
On February 1st, 2024, a routine call in Silver Springs, Florida, turned into a deadly high-speed chase. A woman stole a deputy's patrol car, drove into traffic at extreme speeds, and the pursuit ended in a devastating crash. In this video, we will pause at key moments and explain what is happening step by step.
On February 1, 2024, a Marion County Sheriff's deputy responded to a call at the
This is where the woman approaches the patrol car, acting like she may be the person who called for help.
Forest Shopping Center in Silver Springs, Florida, regarding a woman attempting to steal another woman's car keys. When the deputy arrived, the woman approached his patrol car, acting as if she were the one who had called for help. As the deputy...
This is the exact moment the situation changes. She jumps through the open passenger window and takes the patrol car.
The deputy walked around the back of his vehicle to speak with her. She suddenly jumped through the open passenger side window and led law enforcement on a high-speed 4.5-mile chase.
No. Stop! 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 It gets so fast, she just got in my car, took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation.
Here, the original victim explains that the woman tried to take her keys before the deputy arrived.
Were you the one who called us?
Yes. I'm still, like, really shaking. Okay, thank you. Did you know her? No, she tried to take my keys.
We know her.
Oh. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle. At first, she asked me for a ride.
The chase is now extremely dangerous. She is ignoring traffic signals and reaching speeds up to 125 miles per hour.
I said she needed to get out of this place.
During the pursuit, she drove into oncoming traffic, ignored all traffic signals, and reached speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, nearly causing multiple collisions.
When I'm behind them, she is going westbound on 40. She has lights and flares on, running off the side of traffic. 26, 150 south. She's really extremely sick herself.
At this point, she appears to speak over the police radio, creating even more confusion during the pursuit.
Excuse me to all stations, I need help. This is a fake route.
See if they have air assets also.
You told me to fuck my name that.
station, still eastbound. And we're still eastbound past the police station.
She says she needs the real police, while officers are already trying to stop the stolen patrol vehicle.
Excuse me, I need the real police. No, before you switch, this is wrong.
Deputies deploy stop sticks ahead, but she notices the police vehicle and suddenly turns around to avoid them.
Deputies deployed stop sticks ahead, but she noticed the police vehicle with its lights on, and turned around to avoid them, nearly losing control of the vehicle.
Safety 316, she did advise they're coming up behind an 18-wheeler. And she's turning around, she's conducting a U-turn. She is going eastbound.
This is the final dangerous move. She tries to pass a semi-truck on the shoulder and loses control.
A few miles later, while trying to pass a semi-truck on the shoulder, she lost control of the car and crashed into a pickup truck.
The crash has happened. Officers immediately switch from pursuit mode to rescue mode.
Signal 4, signal 4, signal 4.
Signal 4, station 1033.
Stay away from the car! Stay away from the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
6316, back signal 4, send back 1018.
We got another vehicle over here. You guys okay? Hello?
Signal 4, another vehicle.
You guys okay? I'm not getting a response from them.
Officers locate the woman and other victims. At this point, the scene is chaotic and life-threatening.
Hello? I don't know where she's at. There's somebody in that driver's side.
She's right there. She's right here. She's right here. Get them, get them, get them.
Pickup truck.
Marion, I got the police cruiser on fire. Hey, Morris, get my fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher, get it over here, get it over here. Hey, don't too close. Come here. It's really hot right here, really hot. Really hot.
Where's yours? Let me grab yours.
Mine's unlocked, it's unlocked, it's unlocked. It should be on the right. Do we have any contact talking? At least three occupants? Sheriff's office, everyone okay?
Here, officers report that 3 occupants in the other vehicle are unresponsive.
360, 360. I mean, I got 3 occupants unresponsive in the other vehicle.
In or on the vehicle, I have partner is calling 911 for you. Help will be sent to that location. Can anyone hear me?
I need 1 fire extinguisher over here. Fire extinguisher!
Officers are trying to control smoke, fire, and leaking fluids while checking for survivors.
Fire extinguisher! Good. Let's make sure they're good.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that this doesn't start a fire because it's leaking oil.
Okay.
I don't know if that smoke's coming from. Shit. There's still a flame inside there.
Okay. Check this one.
There's a flame coming through that firewall, but
She said,
get on this one. Where's she at?
if she's right there, I don't know if you can get through that hole. All right, we got the roadblock. Medics are on the way.
Is there fire in there right now?
Unresponsive.
Yeah. I can't get to the one on the right though.
Okay.
Little ways.
They're gonna have to chop it out.
The emotional pressure is visible here. First responders are dealing with a deadly and overwhelming crash scene.
You okay? Okay. Sit down if you need to. Sit down if you need to. You're not hurt, are you?
No.
Okay. Three in the car, Sarge. She's signal 7. She.
How is Woody? Is he okay?
I believe Woody's fine.
Take it off, anyone? Number is the female full to be in bus vehicle. 10-4, she's trying to find the vehicle.
You moving?
One officer reacts with anger and shock after realizing innocent people may have died in the crash.
I'm so fucking mad right now, bro.
Hey, don't beat yourself up.
No, it's not. I'm pissed off at her because now she just fucking caused 3 people to fucking die because she wanted that they could fuck a patrol car.
Push back about a pound. Get it back.
Oh.
The report says the woman is trapped inside the patrol car, while the pickup truck victims are also trapped.
You're good, you're good.
Hi.
I'm not sure what updates you've had. We got 3 entrapped in the black truck. The female's entrapped inside of the patrol car. She looks signal 7, and it looks like the 3 occupants of the black truck are all unresponsive as well. They weren't passed that long before.
Hi.
All units coming on the keep the roadway clear so medics can pull down Highway 40.
Just let medics pull down the opposite lane and travel.
outer perimeter of this traffic. Go ahead and get these vehicles turned around on that the other way.
Are they all signal 7?
We want to check this one real quick, if we can break one of them free. But believe to be that
we seen it.
We got one freaking medic. Listen.
Such a... This is so wrong.
Are you on?
Yeah.
What the fuck happened?
I guess Woody left his car open and they're dealing with this crazy lady and she stole his car.
They call her? I don't know.
I told him I had 3 occupants.
She and 2 occupants of the truck were pronounced dead on scene, while a 3rd occupant taken to a local hospital in critical condition.
Good.
According to the report, the suspect and 2 occupants of the pickup truck were pronounced dead at the scene. A 3rd occupant was taken to a local hospital in critical condition. What started as a call about a woman trying to steal car keys ended as a heartbreaking tragedy. This case shows how one reckless decision can put innocent people, officers, and entire families in danger within minutes.